Hey everyone, let's go ahead and look at the different types of RVs. And don't forget to click like and subscribe to this channel. RVs are not motorhomes. What I really mean to say is a motorhome is a recreational vehicle, but not all recreational vehicles are motorhomes. There are other categories of recreational vehicles, such as trailers. Let's take a look at the different types of motorhomes and trailers there are. First, in the motorhome category, these are RVs that actually are self-propelling with their own engines and chassis. A Class A is built somewhat on a bus chassis or very similar to a bus chassis. You might also remember the Winnebago style that was featured in the Breaking Bad series. So any of these larger RVs that look sort of like buses and are very square, the driver usually sits right up in the very, very front to make it easy to see. Let's take a look at Class B. Class B are generally built inside an existing van structure. So a lot of times you see these in the van life YouTube videos, and a lot of people will be camping with these because they're very compact. You can park them in regular car parking spots, and so it's a very versatile choice. And then we have Class C. Class C is one of the more traditional type of cab over motorhomes. In most of these models, the top is a sleepover bunk, and the rest of it is kitted out with all the normal attributes of an RV. Now we're going to look at trailers. There's the fifth wheel trailer, which generally rides on what's called the fifth wheel in the back of a pickup truck. This puts the weight of the trailer over the back axle and allows for a much heavier, bigger RV. And that axle is called a fifth wheel. These are sometimes called pull trailers or more commonly travel trailers. These are a lighter weight trailer and they don't attach to the bumper hitch that you see on trucks, but they do attach to an affixed hitch receiver and they can handle a lot of weight, but you'll see there is a couple of extra bars you generally need to add called weight distribution bars. So it's not just a simple hitch like a U-Haul trailer. Finally, we have the tent pop-up camper. This is considered the entry level into recreational vehicle trailer towing. It's very easy to tow behind a car because it has a very low wind profile, and then you can pop it up at the campsite. It also has limited infrastructure. These often don't have toilets, or they'll simply have little cassette toilets. Truck campers are actually placed in the bed of the truck. They make the vehicle a little top heavy, and there's usually that cab over bunk, just like a Class C, and then it has all the other attributes, sometimes a toilet. It really depends on the size of the truck camper. Hey, I wanted to give a little shout out and honorable mention to Teardrop trailers. This is usually integrated into camping outside or camping with tents or camping with additional people, but you do have a bed inside the Teardrop. I hope you found that video helpful, and if you did, click subscribe below or check out some of these other videos here on the side.